What's going on, everybody? My name is Danny Ferrari.
My name is Parker Ament.
We are Excellent Sound, and we are here today to show you guys how to make a insane neuro bass.
Fat bass.
Neuro bass, bro.
Neuro for your brain.
We'd like to. This is like a new segment we got going on called like Signature Series Sounds.
Yeah.
Where we're kind of taking a specific sound of a couple different artists that use it and showing you guys how to make something very similar to it or like it, or sometimes an exact recreation. But these are a little bit more bite-sized videos for you guys, a little bit quicker content, very fast. I don't have time. I got to go. We are Excellent Sound. If you guys want to download this in the download description right now and just leave, that's fine. Just get the fuck out of my face, dude.
In the description.
In the description. Just give me a quick video, dude. I don't have time. Let's go, dude. It's going to be show you guys how to make this fucking neuro bass. Some artists like that. Let's do it again, dude. Show you guys some techniques on how to actually do that and how to make something really cool like that. How to be able to make it yourself and make your own changes to it to have your own neuro bass.
Yeah, dude.
Some artists that use neuro bass like this that I can think of off the top of my head. Let's go, dude. Hit me with it, Parker. Go.
Kill the noise.
Kill the noise, dude.
Virtual Riot.
Virtual Riot, dude.
Barely Alive.
Barely Alive, dude. 17888-L.
Hydraulics.
Hydraulics. Eliminates.
Oh, yeah. Eliminates.
Panda Eyes.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
They love those opening. Skrillex.
Skrillex. Noisia.
Noisia.
Those are some people that like to make neuro basses.
Oh, yeah, dude.
So, without further ado, I'm going to get into this and show you guys how to do it. Again, it's in the download description below. If you guys like sounds like this, make sure you guys go to our website, and I would highly recommend picking up our packs called Riddim Riot Volume 1 and Riddim Riot Volume 2. We have 2 volumes there. They both are full of at least 60 presets each, so it's like 120 presets if you got both, and I think like over 200 or 300 samples of just rhythm, just heaviness.
Yeah, killer sounds.
Bass growly sounds. Yeah, super sick, bro.
Chock full of drop sounds.
Chock full of drop sounds. If you guys like what you see here, please give this video a nice like, meme review, and a sub to us. Meme review, a lot of claps. A subscription would be really nice. Hey, you out there.
Yeah.
Just a
Yeah,
little sub, dude.
So we see you there.
That'd be tight, dude.
All right.
If you guys are part of our Discord, you probably already got this patch because we hook up our Discord early. So if you want to join the Discord, it's in the download description below. Also, we are on Patreon. Blah, blah, blah. Let's get into it. So first things first, I have a Serum initialized patch. It sounds like this. Just kidding. It sounds like this. Just kidding. It sounds like this. Okay.
Beautiful.
A nice little initialized patch. I'm going to go for the processing that I'm using Excellent Sounds Fat Rack. That's us, actually.
Yeah.
And if you want to download it, it's on our website too, so you can go get that. It's the Virtual Riot Fat Rack. There's a video where we explain how to do it. You can go watch that too if you want. But if you just want the rack, it's on our website.
Yep.
So go grab it. Anyway, so first things first, I'm going to pull up Serum. Some of the wavetables that are used for this that I would recommend doing is using anything like digital spectral, any third-party wavetables. You want to get stuff that has very vocally sounding, very crunchy. So for this one, I used, for the first oscillator A, I used spectral and I used Reese Mess 3. And then for oscillator B, I used digital and I used Reese, which is right. I'm going to burp. Oh, my God.
Dude, I almost burped at the same time.
Dude, that'd been tight, dude. All right. So yeah, we're using Reese for that. Let's hear how this sounds. So far, like shit. All right. Let's move some shit around. So a lot of these neuro basses have like a lot of unison sometimes to them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the unison up to 6 on oscillator A, and I'm gonna turn the detune down just a bit to like right around there, 0.08. There's gonna be some really interesting techniques into this. I'm gonna show you guys. It's been kind of fun for you guys to learn and maybe use on some other type of sounds. So level's good for the warping. I'm using ASIM plus. You can use any of like Ben plus or Ben minus ASIM or any of the ASIMs. Those usually will give you the best results for these type of sounds. Those are the ones that I would recommend. So if you want to play around, try those. So ASIM plus is what we're using. I'm going to go ahead and turn that up to around, what are we at?
71.
Says once. That looks good. And then for oscillator B, I'm going to go ahead and use, what am I using, Parker?
You're using Ben plus minus.
Ben plus minus. And I have that set to 40 toots.
Yep.
Put that to 40 toots.
Yeah.
Come on, get there. And then for the detune, for the unison, I'm going to put that to 4. I'm going to leave the detune right where it is. And the level's good. So it'd be sounding like this. A little bit better. A little better, right?
Yeah.
Am I forgetting? Oh, wavetable position on oscillator B. It needs to be set to 15. Thank you, Parker.
You're welcome.
Great sidekick. Awesome. So we're going to leave that like that. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a filter. So for this filter, we're going to use HN12. I'm going to show you guys. We're not going to be making any LFOs in this, believe it or not. So, and I'll show you why. So miscellaneous, nope, just kidding. Multi HP or HN12. So this is a high pass notch filter. I'm going to turn the cutoff all the way down, and I'm going to turn the resonance almost up to about 65s. 66?
Yep.
65, that's good. I'm going to turn the drive down frequency all the way up, which is this second notch, which is going to be sweeping for us all the way through. That looks good. Let's make sure both A and B are going into the filter. I'm going to go ahead and put it onto mono. You feel free to mess around with portamento if you want, but what we're going to do is I don't think you really need it for this technique. But if you want to mess around with portamento, go ahead. Next, we're going to go ahead and initialize the sub oscillator, and then we're going to put this down to -1 and set it to direct out and have the level all the way up. Should be sounding like this so far. Right? Nothing going on yet. We're going to get into the movement last. Now, let's get into the effects. Okay? I already have this preloaded because I'm super prepared because I don't have time. I got to go, dude.
Nobody's got time for that.
I don't have time, dude. It's a quick. People want quick videos, bro. Here's your fucking quick
We're
video,
getting
dude.
quick.
I'm out here, dude. Try to fucking keep up, dude. Trying to watch quick videos, dude. Keep up, dude.
Yeah.
Excellent Neuro Hydro. Bam. I'm gonna load that up. I'm gonna turn these bad boys off. I'll tell you a little bit about what's going on. So the first thing we got is a hyper dimension. Okay, the hyper has a lot of unisons at 7, so turn those bad boys up and turn the mix up to like right there at 46. For the dimension, size about halfway, mix all the way down, sounds like this. Okay, don't worry, it's gonna get cool. I see you over there be like, dude, this doesn't sound like shit yet, dude. Don't worry, don't you fucking worry, dude. Next will be distortion, and we're gonna be use diode 1 with the drive all the way down and the mix at 18%. I'm gonna turn that bad boy on too. It sounds like this, just a little bit thicker. And then we have a phaser, right? The phaser is going to be adding a lot of cool phasey sounds.
Some whippets.
Some whippets, yes. So I'm going to go ahead and initialize the phaser with the rate at 0.08, depth at 50, frequency at 600, feedback at 80, phase at 180, and mix at 30 toots. That looks good. I should be sounding like this. Okay, pretty much the same. Next, we have another high-pass filter, except we're using an HN12 again, with it's pretty much the same settings, I think. So cutoff all the way down. That's right here in multi if you can't find it. Cutoff all the way down, resonance at 62, it's drive all the way down, frequency at 78, pan halfway at 180, mix all the way up. Not going to really be able to tell a difference yet, but you'll see. Get all this stuff set up first, just trust. Okay, and then EQ. We have a little bit of a notch pull up right here on the left side. Is it this one? Oh, okay, it is this one. All right, good. So yeah, set it to notch, frequency down, gain at 35, and Q at 35, and gain at 15.7s. On the right side, we have a reverse notch, right? This is kind of creating, we're kind of get those formats to sweep into each other, and you'll see what I mean by that. The frequency is all the way up, and the Q is at 53, and the gain is at 12.2. So I'm going to turn that on, and then I have a little bit of processing with compressor multiband, just with the gain turned up to 13.5. It sounds like this now. Now, dude, what's going on, bro? It doesn't sound like, it sounds like nothing, dude. Well, don't fucking worry, dude. I told you I got you, bro.
Yeah.
So let's now go into the oscillator page. And actually, I'm sorry, let's go to the matrix. Fuck that. Let's go to the matrix. First thing we're doing is we're going to go source right here. We're going to go macro 1. This is our Neuro knob. Again, if you guys want this patch, it's in the download description below. Feel free to edit this however you want because you can get really creative with it. Macro 1 is going to go to the global master tune. This is the big part of the sound. I'm going to set this down to, what is it, minus
19.
Minus 19. Which I believe is 2 octaves, and I'm going to have it go to whatever.
Back and forth.
Back and forth, whatever the fuck I mean. Thank you, Parker. Damn, you're on it, dude. I don't got time, bro.
No,
Parker's
we don't
got
time
me,
for
bro.
This shit, dude. We're going.
Should be sounding like this. Now it's like super high pitched, but what you do is you take this knob and go. Okay, so this at halfway is the same note. if we're going
and
unite,
forth.
bipolar, whatever the fuck it is. Yeah, so put that at 50% for the macro. So we're still at the same note. Now, what we're going to do, oscillator. We'll go back to the oscillator page. Can you go to the oscillator page for me, Parks, dude? Yeah, go ahead, dude, and select macro one, dude.
Oh, yeah, macro one.
Yeah, dude, yeah, dude. All right, cool. I'm going to go ahead and put this on the wavetable position, like here. I'm going to put this on ASIM, and you can kind of just get creative, but you're going to go like right around there for that one. And for oscillator B, I'm going to put this one over here, have it go all the way up, so it's going to be cycling through those wavetables. Watch. Ooh.
Oh.
Get some movement with one knob, dude.
Oh, dude.
Next, I didn't put it on bend plus minus, but you could put one on there too if you want. Now, this is the big thing. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the HN12, and I'm going to have it go to about right here. This is about the sweet spot, about 56. And I'm also going to go ahead and put it on the drive so it gets louder to 60 toots. And I'm going to put it on the frequency knob and have it go backwards to about minus 79. So now watch when I move this knob. This is how a lot of like the Scary Monsters, Nice Sprites, Growls were made. Whoa, dude.
Whoa, dude.
I can go like... We're not even done yet, dude. Now, next, let's get into the effects. Okay, for the effects. Can you move up, Parks? So I guess I have it a little bit on the drive. I don't know why. Just go ahead and put it on macro 1 on the drive. We'll do like to 6. That's fine. Phaser, leave where it's at. We're going to put it on. You could put some stuff on there if you want, macro 1. But how we made this sound is I didn't. Macro 1, we're going to go ahead and... What are you laughing at, dude? I'm in a hurry, dude.
We didn't do it, yeah.
You didn't do it, dude. Fuck it, dude.
You can if you want, though.
Go ahead, do it if you want. Cut off. Go ahead and pull that down to like 40 toots. Macro 1, 40 toots. And then put it on the frequency and have it go backwards. And this one's going to go to minus 43. So we're essentially high passing again. So... Cool. Next, I'm going to go ahead and actually apply this to the frequency knob of the EQ. Good little sweet spots right around here at, what number is that?
30 thirds.
30 thirds. Oh, I nailed it, dude.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, dude. I'm going to turn the Q, I'm going to put on the Q2 as well. That's going to be at 18, like so. And I'm also going to put it on the other side, except this one's going to be going the other way. And this one's going to be going to minus 51, like so. Bam. And this one, oh, that's it. Okay, cool. Now let's see what that does. You can start to see this thing come to life. Lastly, we have our multiband, and that's pretty much it. That's how you make a neuro bass. Now, we're not done yet. If you want to stay for bonus points, right? Go ahead. Sure, get the fuck out of here, dude. I'm not,
2 bonus points.
Dude. Piss off, dude. You want some bonus points? I'm going to show you some shit. All right. So now that we got our little macro knob, our little neuro knob, essentially what you could do is you could draw. Instead of doing a macro, you could draw like a crazy LFO that's like, maybe it's like this. Maybe it's like, wow. That's pretty much how it would sound if I put it on, right?
Yeah.
Now, you could essentially do that, but it's going to be the same every time. And what we're trying to do is get crazy neuro basses so that we can bounce them and use them later. But you could essentially replace macro 1 and put it on and make it like an LFO like this and put it to like a bar. That's how you would essentially do that. Leave it on off because you get more interesting stuff. But essentially, that's how you could do that. I'm not going to do that because I'm using the one knob technique. It's a little bit, kind of wanted to show you guys a little bit different way of manipulating shit. But anyway, so you don't have to do that. But you can if you want. So now that we're in here, let's go ahead and play this. It's kind of not really doing much. Essentially, I can just draw in these random points, which is what I'm going to do right now because I am lazy and I don't have fucking time.
No,
dude.
we don't have time.
Parker, I
you're
don't
not
have
lazy,
time.
dude. We just don't have time.
I don't have time, dude.
We're
I gotta go,
it,
dude. 4-minute video,
Yeah,
dude. That's what you guys want. Here's a fucking 4-minute video,
Yeah.
dude.
4 minutes.
4 minutes, dude. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and automate LFO. Wait, where the fuck am I? Okay.
Yeah, touch it, dude.
Gotta touch it. Gotta touch it, dude. I'm gonna touch that macro.
Oh, there
baby.
it is.
Yeah.
Touch
Bam.
that knob.
Ableton says, do you want to touch that knob and automate that knob? Fuck yeah. Give me that knob, dude. Let me knob that knob, dude. Whoa.
Whoa.
Is it Tuesday yet?
It's getting a little.
It's not Tuesday.
No, it's not Tuesday.
It's not Tuesday. All right. So I'm just going to copy this automation. I just kind of drew it randomly. It sounds like this now. Now I could take, like, again, you guys can take all these points and just kind of really, like, kind of. Okay, so that's how you would essentially do that. Just draw a bunch of things, do a bunch of weird lines. Now, mainly up and down, and just know that 50 is at the normal, is at the center point. The norm. What the fuck am I trying to say, dude?
Yeah, is that 0?
That's 0. Yeah. So 50 would be at 0. So at the actual note. So like here, nothing. Wait. If I move this. Oh, that's a good idea too.
Yeah.
Okay. So that being said, now another bonus points, extra credit, right? You've already left. Get out of here, dude. Did you sub before you left? Smash the like
Better.
button. All right, cool. Now we got this. Here's what we can do and have some fun. This sounds cool, right? Bam. Freeze. Some people don't know this trick, but I'm going to make a new MIDI track, and let's say you don't want to flatten this and get rid of it. You can just hold Option or hold Windows, whatever the fuck people do.
Plop it down there.
Plop that fucker right there, dude. Ready to go. Bounced. Ready to go. Now, what you can do, if you want, is you can go, oh, you know what? I like this little part right here, dude. Let me go ahead and take that, dude. There's my little fucking bass. I like this part. Fuck that part.
Yeah.
I'm going to take this. Actually, I might use this later. There's a little one shot. Maybe I'll put a fade on it or whatever. There you go. Fucking making rhythm.
Yeah, dude.
Whatever. So you can do shit like that. The other thing you can do, this is where your shit gets crazy. And this, I'm gonna wrap it up with this. I'm gonna take this guy. If I take this and how do you do this, Parker? You go like this, huh? Extend the clip, I suppose.
Yeah.
I could just start taking kind of random points and just stretching them. Right? And maybe put it into actually complex mode. Then maybe put it on like Complex Pro, turn the performance. Let's see what this does. Now I could do that, or what I like to do sometimes is just go like this. Unwarp it, rewarp it. Yes. I'm going to go ahead and hit the slow down or the fast button. Like that's a sick little one shot right there. God damn it. If this was in Beats mode. You just get creative is what I'm trying to say. So you could do stuff like that. Let's say I like that. I can bounce it, right? Then extend the clip, Command J, and then just kind of maybe stretch it out. All right.
Other way.
And then maybe I want to. So yeah, you can just like. You can start automating the transpose. So it's kind of cool just to get a really cool sound like that and get creative. So hopefully you guys learned something today. Again, that patch that we just made is in the download description.
Totally free, guys.
And again, if you like sounds like that, make sure you guys go pick up Riddim Riot Volume 1 and Volume 2.
Just do it.
Tons of presets in there, tons of great stuff. We've got a lot of great stuff coming out here in the next couple weeks or months. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this nice little signature series touch that we added in here.
Lots of excellent content.
That's how you do it. That's how you make fucking Neuro basses, dude.
That's how you Neuro
I gotta
rock.
go, dude. I don't have time for this, dude. Make sure you guys subscribe, dude. I gotta go. Fucking 2-minute video, dude. We're out, dude. We'll see you guys next time, dude. Fucking 2 minutes. Let's go, dude.
All right.
Fucking out, dude. Fucking
See you guys later.
Make a cut the fucking thing.